Hi, my name is Toby Cruz. I'm a serial entrepreneur. I've started more than 10 companies, some of them failures and others have been successful. Today I have companies on 3 continents and I have more than 30 people working with me. After years of building up knowledge and experience as an entrepreneur, I've noticed one single thing that determines a company's degree of success: how unique is your company compared to that of your competitors. In Grandma's Secret Recipe, I show you how to make your company unique in your market. The concept that I outline is easy to comprehend and tells you straight away how you can build a better and more profitable company. I want to inspire other entrepreneurs, support the startup community, and therefore I've decided to put the entire book online free of charge for everyone. Thank you for listening. I hope you will share Grandma's Secret Recipe on Twitter, Facebook or any other social media.